Good morning, chat. Good afternoon na. It is actually 3:05 p.m. and today is May 28th, which means today is the Lay Fake concert. Yes, I am getting ready as you can see. First time ko ito medyo mag-get ready with me sa YouTube kasi more on sa TikTok tayo nag-get ready with me. I am planning to prep my skin. As you can see, medyo hindi nag-akma yung skin natin for the past few months. I'm super gloomy ang mood ko today kasi yung weather is also gloomy. For some reason, this past few months, I've been not in a good mood. So, parang ngayon din, kahit Playfay concert, I am, of course, a fan of Playfay. Pero parang, yung mood ko talaga, wala talaga siya sa tamang mood. Like, I don't know what's happening to me. It's just I've been off for the past few months na. So, that's why I haven't been able to provide some good quality content on my TikTok, socials, ganyan. Although, okay lang naman. No rush naman sa akin. We are starting off with my base. I bought this Labaho, something like that. Hindi ko matandaan. Pero, tatry ko na ito muna yung first na ilagay natin since this is a toner. Japan usually label toner as lotions for some reason. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, medyo malapot siya. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. It has a brightening ingredients, yung mga arbutin niya. So, hopefully this week, may effect siya agad sa mga dark spots ko kasi birthday ni Eman sa June 1 and today is May 28. So, I only have like a few days to prepare my face. Wala lang. Pag birthday lang niya, gusto ko syempre paganda ako. Usually, I will put sunscreen. Pero, siguro for today, I will not put sunscreen kasi sometimes the sunscreen actually do ruin my base of makeup. Parang, paano ba explain? Minsan kasi may mga properties yung sunscreen na dry ng aking face lock. Tapos hindi nagiging maganda yung itsura ng skin ko. Although, depende naman sa sunscreen yun. Pero, also, right now, wala ako sa mood mag-sunscreen. And, I'm just gonna go straight to the moisturizer, which is my fave. Of course, the Saipo one. Actually, kaya din ako nag-film ng parang Get Ready With Me kasi hindi ko talaga malaman sa sobrang tamad talaga ako this past few days. So, parang this is just me pushing myself to mag-effort, mag-makeup today. It's a very, very good concert kasi it's held in PICC. It was with the Philippine Orchestra pa, ganyan. It's very, very special concert. So, after putting on my moisturizer, I'm gonna put my primer. This is the only primer that I used so far. This is the Dewa. Hindi naman super rarely use this. Pero, I use this for yung pag gusto ko talaga ng magandang smooth base and glowing base. Hindi ko siya masyado ginagamit kasi medyo kamahalan siya. Okay, so now we are going on to my foundation. This is the only foundation that I use so far. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Cover Foundation. And I'm gonna mix it with this Dewa cushion. Ewan ko, ito yung nagustuhan kong combination like before. I don't really wear makeup. I mean like foundation. As in. Pero pag yung mga gantong gala, syempre, that you need to cover up really bad. Although this is not mine. Actually, I just borrowed this from my mom. Hindi ko na nabalik. Kasi like ko ginagamit kapag yan. So what I do is just put a little bit on my Kinemeras. Sana yung aking concealer pala. Because sometimes I also mix in the same concealer together with my Estee Lauder foundation. Just blending this all. Hala, wala na akong masyado. Dewa. Blending this all with my Dewa cushion. Although yung shade medyo too orangey for me, for my taste. Okay lang. Bawiin na lang natin sa blush. Chanan. I'm just gonna do like next time a full in-depth foundation routine. Problem with this, it sets so quickly. So, I don't know if I'm gonna use a powder blush na lang kasi feel ko pa nag-liquid blush ako. Matatanggal yung foundation mismo. So, I'm gonna use the fave of mine. This is the Roman Better Than Cheek. Better Than Cheek Blueberry Chip. Yan. And I'm gonna put it probably here. I'm gonna do my usual blush routine na medyo Japanese style ang ating peg for today, which is just a C around the under the cheeks and then going onto the eyelid. So parang letter C siyang ganyan. That's what I usually do since I want my face to center dito because I have a very wide cheek or ano ba, chubby cheek ba tawag dyan? So I want the attention to focus on my center of my face. So, hindi nyo mapapansin na mataba ang aking cheeks. Ganyan. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna use Easy Detail Brow Pencil. This is my favorite because it's so light. I mean, manipis. And I also use this for my eyeliner. Not really sure what eye makeup I should do, pero I think I'm gonna go with just a simple one kasi yung outfit natin is already like bongga enough. So, I don't think we need that much eye makeup look or something like that. Period. You know what? I'm just gonna put like a little bit of shimmer on my eyelid. Para hindi naman tayo boring. I'm gonna use my only eye palette so far. This is the Redimancy. I'm just gonna put at the center of my eyes. Mga ganun. Nalimutan ko na naman kung saan ko nilagay yung highlighter ko. It's probably just here. Hanging out around somewhere. I don't really think I need that much since parang low visual makeup. Low visual weight din naman ako. So, hindi naman masyadong bagay sa akin ng mga ganyan nakakapal. Bosh. I actually do get compliment a lot from TikTok about how I do my eyeliner. So, thank you naman so much. I usually just do a very, very straight. So, kaya yung highlighter ko, no? Now, for an additional additional, like, drama. I'm just gonna put a black eyeshadow on my inner corner. Ayan. Para lang mas ma-emphasize ang ating eyes. And I'm gonna do one aegosal. Hopefully, I pull it off. So, what I usually do is just, right now, natural aegosal eh. Ito sa may nunal ko. So, just a teeny tiny bit. Just a little bit too much. Ayan. O, diba? Meron tayo ng konting approachable lang konti yung ating mukha. I'm gonna put a little bit of eye glitter sa aegosal natin. The eyes will pop up more like so. Very nice ang effect niya sa akin. We are on the last few steps on my eyes and that is mascara. This is a waterproof mascara. It does get a little bit hassle kapag at the end of the day that you need to remove the mascara. But I do have like an oil cleansing makeup oil para talagang matatanggal lahat ng makeup. So that's a plus. That's one of the things that you also need to invest on. Even invest on, but you need to buy when you are a fan of makeup or you use makeup daily. So wala matitirang makeup masyado sa'yo. Because it's gonna cause you acne. I'm the one to talk kasi nabi kong pimple, but I promise you this is not caused by makeup. This is caused by hormones. Loving my eye makeup so far. Hopefully, this doesn't get fucked up in my dressing up pag dress up na ako for the concert. So, I do kind of wanna extend my eyeliner more. But, usually, yun naman ang aking gagawin. Yung lipstick kasi, mag-ano na lang ako, yung Kaya Fig ng Roman. That's the only... that's my go-to lipstick this past few months. We're gonna put some lip liner kasi wala tayong lips on the upper lip. I am not blessed with a big ass lips. So we need to compensate. Ayan. Medyo konting meron na. Because I'm not really the one to overline. Kasi OA na. Baka super unnatural na. I am using the Kaya Fig ng Roman, pero I'm not really putting it all. Konti lang, like a little bit lang, like that. Go film the TikTok now for the dressing for Leifei concert. Be right back, guys. Magbibihis lang ako. So, nagsusukat na ako and I look so good right now. Hey! It's giving Japanese. Pero, ito na yung top na napili ko. And then, I'm missing accessories lang. And then, tong skirt. For some reason, sa camera, sobrang light niya. Pero, in real life, it's much more darker. So, mas bagay siya. This is what I'm happy with. Yan. And the shoes are from Tory Burch. Top from TikTok shop. Skirt is from Miu, the label. And then, yan. I'm ready, Leifei. Let's go. Hindi ko na nahanap yung photo book. Punta na kami sa loob. Since it is held in plenary hall lang. And hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari. Anong meron? Ay! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Where about this? No God. Most people in love. Basta akin, diba? Hindi, naka-record na to eh. Ay, hindi pala ako naka-record.
Your safety. Always remember to keep calm and keep these steps in mind.
Let me be a dream I fear on solid ground.
Nasaan? Oh my God!
Let me be a dream before I can see the whole world from alone empty. I'll never forget. I will start falling. What if he's the last? And then I'll kiss, but more than this, I wish you love. your heart from sight. Lock your dreams at night. Every dance again, you take my hand, kiss I'm talking the Russian. Rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and I'm trying to understand what I am to you. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. Don't you notice how I love you all so much. I'm so excited. I'm coming back to play here. I always feel so much love radiating from here. It's truly amazing. Like I feel like it's like almost like a second home country. First of all, everyone thinks I'm from here. Like if you Google is Leve, the top thing is Leve from the Philippines? Which is like the highest compliment because you're the most beautiful people in the world. You know, this was a very polite and cordial evening. I'm gonna sing a song that's not very polite. Why don't we call it for what it is? Squeeze myself at 13, just like thank you so much for a lovely night. Thank you for all the love and support. I love you so much. So many wonderful musicians in this country. I have no words. Thank you.
One of the best. Hello. Ba't ka nahihiya? Ba't ka nahihiya?
Ano suot ko?
Yang chow? Iya, yung ano po? Sarap. Sarap talaga ng mga seafood dito. Ano talaga yung the way you, position yourself.